Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer.
I'm Hannah. This is our channel. We call Poor Man's DRI.
Today we're going to review another laser. It's the Longer Ray5 Mini.
This is not a typical laser that we normally review. I've been offered small ones before. I've declined them, but I've actually had an idea of things that I wanted to test out, and I thought the Mini would be the perfect way to do that. We're going to be doing something different. We're not going to be using wood. We're going to be using something that we've never used before, and we're going to make some stuff from that. So let's get right into this. So we're going to try some simple engraving on things such as leather, can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? And we're also going to try and do some engraving on acrylic. All right, but the one thing that we're really looking for, as we mentioned, this is something that might be ideal for crafts. So we're going to actually use this for cutting cardstock. For those of you who like, what is that, scrapbooking, book scrap or scrapping, I don't know what it's called, but anyhow, they use cardstock from what I can tell. So we're going to go ahead and see what we can do with this instead of wood, and this machine seems like the perfect way to go about doing that. Now, some of the things on here we're going to be using, I will actually use a little puzzle, a block set, so that I can set up a jig so I can place things in, take them out, put another one in, and just repeat it real easy. Other things though, I'm going to have to get a honeycomb and use that because we're not going to do engraving, we're going to do cutting, as I said, and I don't want the laser to cut into my new workbench, so we use a honeycomb so that it doesn't cut all the way through. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the leather key fob. A simple, customizable gift idea. Engraving on leather worked out real well. Let's try acrylic. Leather and acrylic work well. Now let's try a little metal.
John, let's make coasters.
This is what I look forward to do is crafting. I hope you really like the peacock. There is so much more potential that we can do. So the Longer Ray5 Mini is perfect for crafts, and we would like to do some more, especially with our granddaughter.
We wish to thank Longer yet again for allowing us the opportunity to test out this Ray5 Mini laser. I have a feeling we're going to have a lot of use with this one here, along with this one here.
Thank you, Longer.
So until we meet again, bye-bye.